Hello friends, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making pizza roll-ups. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. These are going to take about 13 to 15 minutes to cook. And everything you see on my counter is what we're going to use to make these. The key ingredient of this is a can of crescent roll-up pieces. So basically you're going to take the rolled up croissants out of your can and cut them into the triangles where they've already got a separator line. And we're going to do this for all the pieces because when you take these and split them up, you're going to get about 8 of these out of it. So you're going to have basically 8 of these little pizza roll-ups that you can fix. And these are great for either a kid or adult or whoever. It's just a great snack, lunch, or whatever you want to make out of it. So you're going to take your triangle once you cut it, put a half piece of provolone across the widest part of the bottom, add a little bit of pizza sauce to it, and this is as much pizza sauce as you want. Then on top of that, we're going to put a few pieces of pepperoni. Again, you can put more if you'd like. And then some mozzarella cheese. The key to this is putting just enough to where you can still roll it up and keep it inside. So once you've got your desired amount on top of that, then we're going to take the small end and roll it over and then tuck it underneath. And then we're going to put these all on top of a baking pan, which I lined mine with some parchment paper just to make sure that they didn't stick. And then we have butter and some Italian seasoning in it, which basically you're going to need about like maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter and basically maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And you're going to brush this over top of each one of these. And once you get them completely coated, they are going to go into the oven. And when they come back, they look something like this. And these are such a great treat, whether it's just a snack or a lunch. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And if you get a chance, check out my cookbooks, which are available in bookstores worldwide. First is all about everyday cooking. The second is all about baking. Have a great day.